Welcome to the best washing machines in India 2025. Today we compare two powerful performers, Bosch and Whirlpool, known for wash quality, durability, and advanced features. First is the Bosch 7 kg fully automatic front-load washing machine, one of the most premium washers in India. It features AI Active Water Plus, which automatically adjusts water usage based on load size. You get anti-wrinkle and anti-tangle features that protect clothes during wash, and hygiene steam that removes bacteria effectively, ideal for families, kids, and those with sensitive skin. The machine runs at a powerful 1200 RPM for faster drying and comes with 15 wash programs, including Quick Wash, Heavy Duty, Speed Dry, Water Plus, and Extra Rinse. The touch controls, LED display, glossy finish, and 54 dB low noise operation make it premium and user-friendly. Bosch's build quality is exceptional, with 2 years product warranty and 12 years warranty on the motor. This is a reliable and long-lasting choice for modern homes. The Whirlpool StainWash Magic Clean Pro is designed especially for Indian washing conditions. Its inbuilt heater gives you superior cleaning, and the StainWash technology can remove up to 50 tough stains, even in cold water. The machine performs extremely well in hard water areas, which makes it ideal for many Indian cities. It offers 12 wash programs including Eco Mode, Tub Clean, Heavy Duty, and Daily Wash. With a 7.5 kilo capacity, 740 RPM motor, steel finish body, and push-button controls, this model combines durability with ease of use. Whirlpool offers a 2-year comprehensive warranty and 10-year warranty on the motor. This is one of the best budget-friendly top-load washers for Indian households. These two washing machines offer excellent wash quality, strong build, and great long-term value. Watch Part 2 for LG and Godrej coming next.